How you can copy the Discord profile link into your mobile. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can copy Discord profile link in your mobile. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Discord, and once you are in here you have to click on this profile icon and you have to go in this view option. Now here in the top right corner there is the gear icon, you have to click on it, and from here you just have to scroll down, and as you can see that here is the option of the advanced, you have to tap on it, and from here you have to make sure that in the general advanced the developer mode is on, and if it is not you just have to toggle on it. And after that you just have to go back, and here you have to go in the servers and open up any of the ID in which you want to add or copy the profile link, and you just have to click on that profile. Now once you are in, as you can see that in the profile there is the three dots, you just have to click on it, and from here you are able to copy the username or the user ID. So that's how you can copy any of the Discord profile link into your mobile. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.